In this video, I'm going to talk about beats, in particular, 2 beats. So this is what we're going to be doing in class this Wednesday. So I thought I'll give you a sneak peek. So 2 beats per 1 step. Take a look. 1, 2. So I've only taken 1 step. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, seems super simple, but come along with me. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's not just the steps, it's the bounce as well. So make sure you have a nice clear bounce, especially on number 2. Let's go. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So roll through your feet so you're not flat-footed. 1, 2. All right, there's no need to exaggerate like so, but hopefully your shoes are soft so you can roll heel toe when you go forwards or toe heel when you go back. One last time. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, just to recap, 2 beats, 1 step. Now we're going to go for 2 beats, 2 steps. So this is 1, this is 2. Going to take 2 steps. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's basically 1 step, 1 beat. Okay, now we're going to move on to 3 steps, triple step, but they fit in the time of 2 beats. So we say 1, a 2. All right, practicing it with me. 1, a 2. Ready, go. 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 1, a 2. So that's 3 steps, 2 beats. And again, ready, go. 1, a 2. Ready, go. 1, a 2. Let's do it continuously. Ready, go. 1, a 2. 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 So, do you remember 2 beats, 2 steps? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Do you remember 2 beats, 1 step? Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Because we're going to mix and match and create fantastic variations just with 2 beats. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in class.